Hi lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's painting. Thank you so much to Travelling Tramps and Simply Nanette. Please check out their channels. They're so inspiring and amazing people and supporters. So today we've got a spray painted planets and Stardust creation. Now this painting here is one that I did previously. It's an acrylic pour painting and I got my Pebeo spray paints out, my glossy white, my glossy black, my gold and my pearl pink and a bit of glossy white, and I wanted to create some planets today and some beautiful stardust. If you want to see the full creation of this acrylic pour painting, I'll put that in the description below and at the end of the video. And this is dried now, and I'm just literally taping on two stencils of a large planet and a smaller planet. And I took some time to place the planets. I've not done an acrylic pour painting with spray painted planets and stardust on a canvas which is completely coloured. This is a new style today. Usually I leave a lot of black nebulous space so that I can put more stardust in and some big stars. So I'm very gently using my glossy black just to give it a bit of a hue around the outside of the painting. Can you hear the birdies today? They're joining us. So you've got some natural sounds today in this video. And it's a little bit of an ASMR video today, just to relax the brain and watch the process. So sorry it's a bit out of the picture there. I'm just going to leave you to enjoy this process because it's quite self-explanatory and you can just enjoy the sounds of nature as I go along, and I'll come back towards the end and show you exactly how this turned out. Thank you for being here today. Just a quick note about Dave and Kathy. Please do go to their channel and subscribe to them. They're wonderful people and you'll be so glad you did. They're travelling around the world and they're making their dreams come true. Read a little bit about them. You'll be inspired for sure. And if you have time as well, please go to Nanette's channel. It's Simply Nanette. She's got some amazing and special songs that she sings. And she shares her recipes as well, and she's such a wonderful friend and supporter. So I'll leave you now with the sounds of nature, with the birds and the rattling of some Pebeo cans, and I will see you shortly. hope you've enjoyed this creation today. If you'd like to see the acrylic pour painting, it's in the video at the end. This is a nature-inspired double planet pour, and I would say it's Neptune. Which way up do you like this painting? Do you like the colours? Which other colours would you like me to do in a painting where the whole canvas is coloured? Thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions about how I create these planets for stencils, or how I create my Stardust, and you'd like some more detail, let me know. I love hearing about what you like to see. I love seeing your creations too. And don't forget, when you're creating your art, it's a very special part of you. Thank you for being here. Have a lovely day, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye now.